I feel so blessed, really. My heart was open and I'm crying, crying, don't stop crying. Because it is very grateful person. I think every people need to come here and take a blessing. I think it is big, great soul like a father, and we also need some blessing to live our life more clearly, be more kind, more open heart, and love any people in the world because we all are big family. I think we are big family, and it is great experience. I think it is greatest in my life. I think.
To get his blessing, it was a complete honor. It's because we're Buddhist. He's a high teacher, and that's someone we follow. I believe that the basis of Buddhism is about suffering and attachment, and through his teaching, I'm able to tame my mind and every day live my life as a good person, or I try to be. Yes. Every day, I'm wishing and praying that he lives longer and continues his rest of his life teaching, and we need him. So I wish the best of luck to him, and yeah, that's about it.
He is the messenger of the peace and harmony. So I wish he blesses and the whole world should be peaceful. This was my one of the agenda, so meeting Dalai Lama. Since I also into Vipassana, so I wanted to have blessings from His Holiness Dalai Lama. In fact, he has such a calm and compassion, you can say. That compassion flows like the waves, and it went all through my body like a bhang situation. That's what I felt.